Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can highlight soccer players on CapCut PC. So you're going to need to take a screenshot of this highlight. Here, I'll do that so you can take a screenshot. And then you're going to select this, go to blend mode and select brighten, and you're just going to kind of resize it to the size of your soccer player. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this and place this one on top, and then I'm going to go to remove background and then select auto removal on this one. Like that. So it's a little bit kind of over the top of the highlight, I guess. Anyways, select this screenshot and add a keyframe, and then when the player moves, you're going to move the highlight with it, and then you're just going to keep on doing that, and that's pretty much it really. There's not much to it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.